Hello everyone. How is everyone doing? Happy Saturday. It's like October 29th, Saturday, and I have my little Halloween wig. You're going to see this video Sunday, October 30th. But I want to talk to you guys about employee retention credit, right? Get up to $26,000 per employee. If you're not aware, okay, I went too far. Give me one moment. If you're not aware of what the ERC is, I'm going to just give a brief synopsis of what it is to just try to, explain in a shorter version than the IRS, because I know the IRS has plenty of forms and things that you need to fill out, and the ifs and the whats and the buts and everything. So let's just try to, let's simplify this and tell you who could qualify and how you can find out if you qualify. Okay, so the employee retention credit is a payroll credit designed to reward businesses for retaining employees during the COVID-19. The credit was initially signed into law March 20th as part of the CARES Act. The credit was later expanded upon with the Consolidated Appropriation Act in December of 2020. The American Rescue Plan Act in June of 21. Business owners can receive a refundable credit up to $5,000 per employee in 2020, $7,000 per employee per quarter, excluding the fourth quarter, in 2020 for qualified wages. This could total up to $26,000 per employee. Let's just see who is eligible, right? You are eligible if you had W-2 employees in 2020 and or 2021, and any of the following. If you had a reduction in revenue, most businesses did, and it goes into how much of a reduction. I want you to click the link and read over it yourself, okay? And number two, if your business was impacted by the government mandate, okay? So if you were impacted in any way by the government mandate, just go over here and read these few sentences, because I don't want to hold you guys up reading. It could get pretty boring. And then number three, if you started a business after February 15th of 2020. So let's just say you were one of the ones that decided, I'm going to start my business this year. I'm going to do it. You go in February the 16th and you started a business, and then all of a sudden March 13th, I believe, is the day that we actually was shut down and had the lockdown of 2020. Well, you didn't even get a chance to grow your business, so you lost wages. You lost revenue, right? And as long as you made under $1 million in 2020, you as well would qualify for this credit if you had W-2 employees. Okay, so how this process work with us? Well, you will work directly with our CPAs. There is no upfront retainer required. Only pay if and when you receive a credit. Okay, so what you're going to do is, there's a blue button below. As I stroll down, you're going to answer just some basic questions. Okay, there's no cost for this assessment, and what it will do is it will determine your eligibility. At that point, you're going to upload a few documents. These are your tax documents, and then the CPA is going to review those documents and determine if you have a credit with the IRS, right? So once that's determined, then the CPA will finalize the credit amount and fill in all needed forms with the IRS. That right there, because you don't want to make any mistakes. You want your money to come to you easily. You don't want to have to, resubmit anything, trying to do it on your own. And then the next step is the CPA will work with the IRS until your credit is received in full. So the CPA will, if the IRS is missing some information, some documentation, they will relay that to you and ask you for any additional documents that are needed to submit to the IRS for you. So the CPA is not only the person that calculate that credit for you to determine how much you'll get back, but they will also be the mediator between you and the IRS to ensure that everything is done properly, you guys. So then you will then get paid, and then you will pay the CPA a percentage, okay? And all of that will be discussed after your determination, your eligibility is determined. So you just simply click this button, which I have already clicked. So I'm just going to go up here. Excuse me. So again, it goes into the ERCs up to $26,000 per employee, a simple and accurate process using licensed CPAs. You pay only if and after you receive your employee retention credit, okay? So again, no upfront capital. If you click right here, you just enter in your information. Step 1, I apologize, I am on a laptop. So step 1, determine your eligibility. Answer a few questions and to determine if you're eligible for a credit. 2, upload any tax documents that is needed. After you upload the supporting documents, our partner CPA will be able to get more precise as to your credit amount, okay? 3, expert CPAs work through complex code without you having to pay anything up front. So there is coding, there are forms, again, if they're telling you it's complex, I'm sure it is. I've done my taxes in the past, and you guys, since my business have grown, that's just something that I don't want to be bothered with anymore, because taxes can get complex if you are a business owner, okay? So our CPA partners will facilitate and support you with all the complex IRS requirements. They will then be able to tell you precisely what credit amount you can expect. 4, you receive your funds and only pay the fees. Pay the fees to the CPA after you have received your money. So I would go ahead and click the link below. If you know that you have a general idea that this may be something that I qualify for, answer those few questions. Someone will then reach out to you to move forward to get your tax credit and get you some monies back into your pocket. So until next time, you guys, I want you to stay fearless. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Share this with someone that you know that is a business owner that had W-2 employees and lost wages and was affected by, lost revenue and was affected by the government mandate to close down, and even someone that you know that started a business after February 15th of 2020. So until next time, you guys, I want you to stay fearless, like this video, and again, don't forget to share, comment, and like. Bye.